Hi, I'm Wendy Williams and this is Tai Chi Life, and this week we're going to talk a little bit more about the benefits of squatting. Last week I posted a video about using the kitchen counter to help you deepen your squat or strengthen your legs or just get into this practice a bit more. And with that I had a really good question I want to start off by answering. So this is from Mark, who asked just one question about the squats. Is your back supposed to be perpendicular to the floor, or can you lean forward a bit? I can squat without holding on to anything, but I'm leaning forward. So that's a really good question, especially because before this we were working on horse stance, where we did want our back to be perpendicular and we were trying to be suspended from the head top. So the squat is a little different. Ultimately, we want this to feel really natural, and I know to some of us it does not feel natural, but it is something that we can work on. So if we look at this picture of this child, we can see that the back is rounded and that the feet are flat on the floor, and it's just a very natural, comfortable looking position. So that's what you can work toward. And once again, I know if you have physical restrictions in your ankles or knees or hips or back or anything like that, then consult with your physiotherapist or your doctor first and listen to your body. But otherwise, if this is difficult, if this is a challenge for you to get into, I hope some things in this video inspire you a bit to keep going, because over time you can get there. And this video is a little bit more about why, like there's so many health benefits that we can talk about, but what about the everyday benefits? What's the purpose of trying to include this in your life? So let's start with Amanda, who sent me this video a while ago, and she started with me with Tai Chi and she could not squat, and well, just take a look.
So thanks to Wendy, I now can squat and stay squatted for a longer period of time. She told us to think about everyday situations that we could do it. So I brew my coffee and I empty the coffee grinds into the green bin, and I can sit here and squat forever. And sometimes I just have a whole lineup of them, or I peel my carrots and I put it all into the green bin, and I can stay down here for a long time. And when I first did it, I was literally holding onto the counter like this to push myself up, and now I can just stand up. So it's pretty cool. Thanks, Wendy.
Thank you, Amanda. So, and here next is my mom, Donna, who is 84, and I want that to inspire you as well. So she is working more on leg strength. I know she can actually go into a deeper squat, but here she is practicing in her kitchen, so good for her. Here's another little reason why it's good to be able to squat. We're going to be getting into gardening season soon, or maybe you are maybe it is wherever you are right now. And it's also good to be able to squat so you can pick out the DVD you're going to watch.
Je cherche le film.
Yes. See? Squatting. This is Tai Chi life.
Non, ça c'est Gopnik.
Or to be able to take a video while you're out somewhere in nature, or if you need to get down low. So here's one more reason to squat. So let me know. Let's talk about this again next week, and I would be happy to get your emails or send me clips of you doing this. If you don't mind me sharing it, let me know, just so it inspires some other people. And otherwise, happy squatting. Talk to you later. Bye.